This video demonstrates how you can bulk import from Excel to PosterLab to automatically import organizational information and project tasks. Starting at the organizational level, we select Bulk Import, then select File, then choose which data you need to upload. Then you select the field you need, whether it be an organization or a task, then press Continue. The machine learning features automatically select the headers for you, although you can modify them if you need. Press Continue. In the Match Column step, our machine learning feature automatically matches the column names that you have in Excel to the fields that we have in PosterLab. These can also be edited if necessary. Then confirm to go to the next step. In the Review Entry step, if there is some sort of error, we would see it highlighted in red here. For instance, if this domain name is incorrect, it would show us. You have the option to edit anything here if needed. When finished, press Complete, then Submit. Then your new organizations are added to PosterLab with the corresponding skills from the Excel file. You can also do the same at the workspace level in the organization section. You can also use the same bulk import feature when creating a new project board. You select Bulk Import and follow the same process. Except this time, we select Tasks instead of Organization. Follow the steps, making any necessary adjustments as you go. These processes will truly help you structure and scale up your external innovation partnerships in a systematic manner.